In this video by ABN Painting, we are working on a pool deck and we start our preparation work with pressure washing. Using a chemical sprayer, we disperse TSP substitute and then we scrub the deck. After scrubbing, we use power washer to rinse the deck. After the deck had enough time to dry, we cover water with plastic. First we run tape sticking it to the tile right below concrete part of the deck, and then we tuck the plastic underneath. There are many places on this deck where it is in a very bad shape. The decking material is chipped off, and we are using a grinder with a diamond cup wheel to get rid of any material that is loose. After grinding, we use the leaf blower to get rid of any dust, and after that we apply a coat of adhesive. We disperse it using the same chemical sprayer we used for TSP. The adhesive is needed to create a better bond between the deck and the new material we are going to apply. We also use this adhesive prior to applying a coat of texture, as well as prior to applying the first coat of paint. For the next step, we apply decking material to the edges of the deck, and we are using a putty knife to do that. Using a sponge, we clean up any material that ran off. After decking material had some time to dry, but at this point it's not completely dry yet, we use a sponge to smooth out any imperfections. After we're done with edges, we use the 17-inch rubber squeegee to apply decking material to the rest of the deck. Then we used 60 grit sanding paper to sand the deck. We covered the area around the pool deck with tarps, and now we're applying the texture. When the texture coat is dry, we apply the coat of adhesive, paint at the edges of the deck that are facing the water, and now we are very carefully removing the plastic. We use a brush to paint all areas of the deck where it will be hard to paint with the roller. And after we finished with brush work, we use a roller to apply first coat of paint. We use paint that is called Top Coat, and it is manufactured by Excel Surfaces. The color that we are using is called Cocoa Parfait. After the first coat is dry, we apply the second coat of paint. Thank you for watching. Hope this video was helpful. And if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments section. And this is before and after.